Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to sell ticket on Stubhub. So if you want to sell ticket on Stubhub, here is a straightforward process and a step-to-step guide to get started. So the first thing you have to do is to visit the Stubhub website and sign up for an account. Then after that, log into your account on Stubhub, then list your ticket. So click on the sell ticket at the top right corner of the home page, then search for the event you want to sell ticket for and select the correct date and venue and the time rather. And after that, you have to provide all the necessary ticket details, including the seat disclosure if applicable. Then you have to set your price. So decide on a competitive price for your ticket. You can adjust the listing price based on the market demand. And once you've entered all the details and set your price, publish your listing, then you can edit or delete your listing at any time as long as they haven't sold out. And after that, you can now set your payment, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and for more. Thank you.